Okay guys, here's a video on making mutton pies with hot water paste. As you can see here, we're boiling the water with the lard in it and the salt, and we're going to add the flour to that boiling water. You can see the consistency as the lard comes together. It looks a little bit like choux pastry, obviously without the eggs or anything like that in it. The video that you can see here is 3 times the recipe given on the screen. This is just for ease of use for us. We're going to be making a few mutton pies today. So cook it out just a little bit. Make sure it's all well combined, and then we're going to pour it on a cold bench and knead it. You have to use the pastry cold. It won't form or work into a terrine mould when it's hot. So onto a nice cold bench, give it a good knead for 3 to 5 minutes, and leave it on the bench or on a tray, lightly covered, and let it cool right down. Next stage is to roll it out 3mm thick, and we're going to press it into just an ordinary round cutter. This is going to be the base for our pie. Very easy pastry to work. And we'll cut out the top, making sure that will fit nicely. The filling is on the screen now. You can add anything you like to it really, but traditionally that's all that goes into it. So the top on now, pressing it down and rolling a rolling pin over the top of the cutter to cut the pastry off. Just make sure that you put the pastry together around the edge now, pressing it together. No need for any egg wash or anything like that. And then pressing a fork on the inside of the pastry just to give it that fluted look. Knock it out of the cutter, and there's your mutton pie. We'll make a little hole in the top to let the steam out, and that is it. We'll bake them now at 175 degrees until the filling is cooked. It usually takes around 30 minutes depending on the size of the pie. Okay, very nice little product. Hope you enjoy that.